Other platforms, if the content is pre-configured, you're conforming your data to the platform's view of the world, you lose the ability to really peel that data apart and get what you need to evaluate the situation that you're faced with.
And then real life's going to happen. Then your CHRO is going to come to you and be like, hey, I just got a request for XYZ and I need to have it next week.
Stories I hear can be really anxiety inducing because the decisions that people need to make with HR data, we don't usually have, days and days to conduct in-depth analyses.
The world changes and it changes very, very quickly. And so having that ability to bring in dimensions, having that ability to adjust your calculations, having that flexibility and that adaptability to bring that data in to match your business needs is incredibly important.
You've got to build muscles to be able to adapt and change and deliver on what comes next, and prepare your team for that flexibility and that resilience to adapt and change and deliver results against it.
It is the ability to pivot. It is the ability to get that data into the system quickly in the right way, answer the question, and make a decision.
That's flexibility. That's the ability to say, I need to answer a true, real business question, not just throw in a bunch of data, put it all together and work through finding insights.
And when you have a tool that you can create your own metrics as you need to tackle the problems the way that you want to tackle them. That's flexibility.
When One Model was founded, we were really founded at the core data layer. Now, 10 years later, that investment has paid off. We are the only ones with that data layer that's flexible, established. We can add new things, we can make changes. And that's what you need to be able to adapt to that next thing coming.
Everything we've been building is a platform focused at adaptability. It is, the core tenet of the entire product and every product that has grown from it.
We didn't start with a box. We started with an open horizon. We have created the structures, the templates, the methodologies on top of that to focus on specific areas, but we have the ability to go outside of those.
The key differentiator is actually in our name. We are not one model on our side. We are one model per customer. And what that means is your data model represents you, and it is your model in your instance with your data being used in your ways. So when we create predictive models at One Model, it's also per instance, it's one model for you.